Okay, floral fragrances, bane of my existence. So you can see there were a couple spots where I didn't quite get it completely filled in the mold because it was getting thick. But overall, that's relatively minor. So I'll take this as a win. This was gardenia from Nature's Garden, and it's not supposed to rice or accelerate, and it discolors beige. So I used darker colors for this because generally that combats discoloring. It didn't accelerate in that it was so thick super quick, but because I was doing layers, well, not so much layers, but pouring bits and pieces, and then adding flowers, so it was kind of going in layers. It just took me a while, and it did start to thicken up. So, I mean, this is not too, I was putting these flowers in the stem, trying to put soap on top of the stem and then put the flower on top so that there weren't any gaps. And also place the flower on top when you couldn't see what you were doing. It was a little bit tricky. So the fact that this is pretty close, I'll take it. A little gap there. Not awful. I'm actually relatively surprised at how these came out. Yeah, so again, the soap definitely got thick, and there are some holes, but they're very minor. Like, I can deal with that. Oh, I like this one. That has all 5 colors in one bar. How pretty is that? That one went sideways a little bit. Like I said, the soap was a little tough. Trying to work quickly, get everything in. I mean, if you think about it, there are 10 embeds in this soap. Each flower, and then their stem. So trying to do all that while the soap was getting thick was definitely a little bit of a challenge. So the fact that this is relatively hole-free, just some little air pockets that didn't get filled in, I'll take it. Oh, that one has a bigger spot. It doesn't go all the way through, but and then that was the biggest gap on the side that I didn't get filled. Not bad. I like it. It looks like a field of flowers to me, so I'll take it. All the spring soaps, not summer soaps, are just about done. I have one more that I'm gonna make today, and then the collection is done. And I'm actually overall quite pleased. There were some hiccups, but I still think they're pretty, and I'm happy with how they all turned out. So there you have it.